everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this easy do-it-yourself hair mask. I am doing a voiceover today, so let me know if you guys like this. I take coconut oil and avocado oil. I recommend using organic cold press oils for this because they hold lots of nutrients. I'll start by brushing out my hair and just getting it prepped for the oil. I normally do this when my hair is dirty, so right before I'm normally going to shower and wash it. I use a tablespoon of each. My hair is pretty thick and long, so I use a decent amount of this oil to coat my whole head. As you can see, it's kind of like a thick texture, and I will just start putting it on my roots, and then as soon as my roots are saturated and my scalp is saturated, I will move on to the lengths of my hair. And while I am putting this through my hair, I will also kind of give myself a little hair massage. This will really stimulate the hair follicle and promote hair growth. As you can see, I'm also flipping my hair upside down to make sure that I'm getting the back of my head as well. And if you're interested in getting promoting hair growth, you can also look up the inversion method, because lots of people will do the inversion method when they are doing an oil treatment. Next, I will just clip up my hair once it's all coated in oil, put a little microfiber towel around it. You can put a t-shirt, a shower cap, whatever works for you. And I'll just kind of let my hair sit for like 2 hours in that and wash it out. And as you can see, my hair is super soft, super shiny after I do this. I really, really love it. And if you guys do it, let me know. Thank you guys for watching.